Sister Mark, Sister Mark.
I'm right here, Fanso.
Our Sister Mark, there with me a call.
Fanso, I'm right here.
Sister Mark, good evening. Good evening, good evening. I know prayer meeting me and go me come fi talk to you. As you know, say, my son will live in Mexico. The one we are doctor. Did invite me and me fi come up cause spend 1 month with him, and when we left from there, so me go and me need son at Atlanta, Georgia. So me not going to come back until around December, just in time for the cartel show. But let me tell you something. I want you give one high up a yard there when we gone. Because the one Brian, if he ever bring any I hold ding bang skittle foot girl them in a me house when me left, he not go like it when I come back. So me I beg you give your up a yard there for me. And me couldn't tell you long time say me ago. Because I know everything is good for talk. So me have to keep it hush hush. But Sister Mac, when you go to church, the only person you fit tell say me Ghana, Mexico is Hazel. Because you know Hazel live in the same community with me. But them other church, people at church, no benter nothing to them. Nothing me no want you benter to them. Hazel, you hear me say? Sister Mac, you hear? You hear when me say Sister Mac? Sister Mac, if I even the pastor ask you for me, tell him say me sick. Me not call down sickness for the whole body here, but tell him me sick. I don't like me I sit down up on pulpit. That infamous me at church. Me a regular member down in the congregation, so me don't know when would I want to ask for me for. And he know say me hold me no must come at church regular. So nobody go to church, go fly your mouth, zip up your mouth when you go to church, Sister Mac. And anything you call me, for me number, you have me number, they call me. Anyhow you see Brian up here, they bring anybody. I mean, I tell you, say if you watch him. Because I feel say my man. Boy, you're 20 and no man yet. Okay? So me I beg you watch him there for me. Alright. Me I go up now. Come get the taxi. Please to like, subscribe, and share. And tune in every week for a new video. Thank you. Brian! Brian! Use your phone and call Mr. Reed. Because it look like him sister. After me number call him and him now answer. The last time me call him, he tell me say 2 minutes away. And a half an hour gone now. Me could call Waxy and make Waxy carry me. But true, me can't bother with them, a young shutter driver. That's why me say make me stick to Mr. Reed. But the only thing Mr. Reed good for is to run from Poppy into halfway tree. He have no use to go to the airport. I don't know when me charter him for. If he ever make me late, call him. I make him know say me a wait. Oh. Me? You have everything in the suitcase, me? rest out of veranda there. Put them out of veranda. That's when time Mr. Reed come, me can hurry up and go in the taxi. Come here, come. Mr. Reed, come on. You have your passport. Make sure so your passport in your hand because your head I get all now and I get the water. And you may not remember which part in the bag you put it. So hold it in your hand. Hold it in your hand. See in my hand me have for me. Because me no want to today. I search down the whole bag. And this 50 US here, I give Mr. Reed because I no got no Jamaica money. Alright, let me call Rupert and tell him say, me there at the airport now. So I'm hoping there at the Mexico airport. I wait. Because me no got time for foolishness. Rupert? Alright. We are going to leave now. So make sure say you find yourself down at the airport. Yes. That's as we land, so we see you. Yes. Alright. No, me not carry the stick. No, me know so me can't carry the stick. Them have a thing at the airport where they can push the elderly in. But me don't want them to know say me to hold to that. Yes, me know say me a 75. But me have to try walk straight and look good because at the first time me I go touch foreign place. So me can't afford to walk with stick and I walk and scramble. Me? Well, if me want to walk with stick or if she want to go in a wheelchair, that is her business. But me have to try up straight. Yes. Alright, then no one will up me time, Rupert. Nobody hold up me time. Alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Comment. Let me know how you feel about my video. Okay, thank you. Here is your menu order. Buen provecho. Hola. What type of something they made this year? Then after me no see they have no banana and dumpling and yam and breadfruit in a this. And me the want to carry some in a me suitcase, you know me. Then all the time, by the time me don't eat them a little foolishness, you know, me not go hungry. Then if I them me have to go eat till me ready to go back to Jamaica, me not go lose weight. I will have the taco you here, ma'am. And the burritos. Yes. And serve me a bacalao and the best wine that you have to your ear. All right. Yes. Oh, me not gonna have no more than one because when me go, me find something to eat. Rupert must have breadfruit and something down there. Them your food enough for me. Me I can't have as much as she want. Yes. Me not used to them your type of food, yeah. Lettuce. Me not used to them, yeah. That Jamaica me used to me real food. And what this time I give people to eat? Me not even like cheese. Because me lactose intolerant. But since I'm foreign, me they make me prinkle like a penny. Yes. All right then. Me no used to table. Yes. Me used to fi me sitting in a me hand all when me there bush and all about. Uh-huh. It feels good. Mm-hmm. Mm. All right. Mm. Put on me, baby. Mm. 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 Robert, man, David, private selection. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm. Really tastes good. Mm. Mm. Yes. Mm. Ew. Um, oh, I saw them say be holy. Oh, you see, when you're not used to something. Ah. Mm. 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 Thank you, Rupert. Thank you. Thank you, Rupert. It's good to grow your children, them good. Hmm? Make I tell you, at 30 years, me there back some plant I work. Fi send for me pitney then go a good school. University and all. Me nah listen to them, the people who say nothing look after picking it good. Pick me fi look after very well that you carry them come here. Mm? And me look after the pitney then good. Mm? And me can tell you, back in the day, yes, me couldn't go upon farm work. And me say no, no, no. Me and I go look after them very well. And the money when me all send come give them for go to school, that not enough. We have to stay home and look after them and see to it that they come good. I can tell you, and I'm so proud. Me proud, me proud. Yes, I can tell you. Rupert, if they are Mexico doctor, and Benson. Benson, they a hot long time a engineer. Mm, yes, and Priscilla, they are Canada. I tell you, the three of them turn out very well. I am a proud father. Mm, yes, and them can make me enjoy all this in a Mexico, yeah. I will never know, say, me would have end up in a Harlem, yeah, big brother, that I hung up on TV, me used to see them, yeah. Okay. Me never drink this a wine yet, a beer me used to, and dragon and rum. But all the same. Yes. Then, when this a one you have, salsa. Eh? Oh, me not think me I go like that. All right. I really. Then I no Q-tip. No. We dig out my teeth. Yes. I mean, also like being at all, at all. But me have to thank him. Mm, 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 mm. Rupert, me, enjoy yourself, yeah. Once in a lifetime, something. Mm. But what a life, though, Fanso. Fanso, what a life. I can't believe Me there Mexico. Fanso. What a life. Life is good. I no little suffer me suffer. When me I grow the picnic them. I no little suffer me suffer. Know that me I enjoy the life. Me no want nobody grudge me. Me no want nobody have nothing to chat about me. Because me I enjoy the fruit of my labor. Yes. Yes. The wine tastes good. Yes. I am enjoying life. Mexico is nice. Muchos gracias. Please to like, subscribe, and share. And return for the next video. When Fanso will be in Atlanta, Georgia.